Good morning, children. Today we will start a new chapter, The Adventures of Toto. It is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19 May 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landour, Missouri, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dera, his novel in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. This is a humorous and adventurous story of a naughty monkey named Toto. The writer's grandfather bought the monkey from a Tonga driver. The pranks played by Toto have been narrated in an interesting way and make the story very interesting. The writer's grandfather liked to collect animals and had a zoo at home. Once he bought a monkey named Toto from a Tonga driver for a sum of 5 rupees. Toto was kept secretly as the grandmother disliked animals. Toto was very mischievous. When the writer and his grandfather hid Toto in a cupboard and tied him to a hook, he broke the hook and caused havoc in the room. The next day, when he was kept in the servants' room along with other animals, he did not let them sleep all night. As grandfather had to go to Saharanpur for work, he decided to take the monkey along with him. He carried Toto in a strong bag made of canvas and closed the zip nicely so that Toto could not escape. Toto made unsuccessful attempts to get out of the bag, which made the bag jump and roll. This aroused the curiosity of fellow passengers at the railway station. At the Saharanpur railway station, when grandfather was getting his ticket checked, Toto picked out of the bag and smiled at the ticket collector. As the ticket collector declared that it was a dog, grandfather had to buy ticket for 3 rupees, much to his annoyance. When Toto was accepted by grandmother, it was given a place in the stable, along with the donkey Nana. Toto did not get along with Nana as well. Toto enjoyed taking bath in warm water during the winter season. One day he almost boiled himself when he jumped into a kettle of boiling water. One afternoon, Toto ate the family meal of pulao. He threw the empty dish from the tree and it broke it into several pieces. Toto's mischief grew by the day and grandfather realized that they could not keep him at home. Finally, he found the same Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for a sum of 3 rupees. So children, this is the story. You all read this story and try to solve the question answers. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number. Thank you, children.